automotive world is rife with rivalries, but few are as enduring or as captivating as the one between Mercedes Benz and BMW. This competition has spanned decades, capturing the imaginations of car enthusiasts and casual observers alike. For decades, these two German titans have been locked in a relentless pursuit of automotive perfection, each striving to outdo the other in terms of luxury, performance, and technological innovation. Their rivalry has pushed the boundaries of what is possible in the automotive industry, leading to groundbreaking advancements and unforgettable driving experiences. This rivalry has given birth to some of the most iconic and sought-after vehicles the world has ever seen. From the classic Mercedes-Benz 300 SL to the legendary BMW M3, these cars have left an indelible mark on automotive history. Today we find ourselves on the cusp of a new chapter in this epic saga, as both Mercedes-Benz and BMW have unveiled their latest and greatest offerings. These new models are not just cars, they are statements of intent, showcasing the future direction of each brand. These new models represent the culmination of years of engineering prowess and design ingenuity, each embodying the very essence of their respective brands. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the software running the infotainment systems, has been meticulously crafted to offer an unparalleled driving experience. On the one hand, we have Mercedes-Benz, renowned for its unwavering commitment to luxury, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Their latest models continue this tradition, offering a sanctuary of tranquility and sophistication on wheels. Their cars are often described as being stately, sophisticated, and exuding an air of effortless superiority. Whether cruising through city streets or parked in a high-end neighborhood, a Mercedes-Benz commands attention and respect. On the other hand, there's BMW, a brand synonymous with driving dynamics, performance, and a more youthful, athletic appeal. BMW's latest offerings are designed to thrill, with powerful engines and agile handling that make every drive an adventure. Their cars are all about the thrill of the drive, the connection between man and machine, and the sheer joy of getting behind the wheel. For those who seek excitement and a visceral driving experience, BMW delivers in spades. But which of these automotive titans will emerge victorious in this latest showdown? The answer may depend on what you value most in a car: luxury and comfort, or performance and excitement. Join us as we delve into the heart of this rivalry, comparing these two automotive titans head-to-head to see which one comes out on top. We'll explore their strengths, their weaknesses, and what makes each brand unique in the ever-evolving world of luxury automobiles. Mercedes-Benz has always been synonymous with luxury, and their latest offering is no exception. The new S-Class, for example, is a masterclass in automotive opulence, with an interior that wouldn't look out of place in a luxury yacht. Stepping inside, you're greeted by swaths of high-quality leather, polished wood veneers, and gleaming metal accents. The seats are supremely comfortable, offering a wide range of adjustments to ensure you find the perfect driving position. But the S-Class isn't just about lavish materials and extravagant design flourishes. It's also packed with technology, with a massive touchscreen infotainment system taking center stage on the dashboard. This system controls everything from navigation and entertainment to climate control and vehicle settings, all with a level of responsiveness and user-friendliness that's impressive even by today's standards. Moving beyond the S-Class, Mercedes-Benz's design language continues to evolve, incorporating sleek lines, muscular curves, and an aggressive stance that hints at the performance potential that lies beneath the surface. The latest C-Class and E-Class models are prime examples of this, offering a compelling blend of sportiness and sophistication that's sure to turn heads wherever they go. Whether you're looking for a luxurious sedan, a stylish coupe, or a practical SUV, Mercedes-Benz has something to offer discerning drivers who demand the very best. From the moment you slip behind the wheel and grip the meticulously crafted steering wheel, you know you're in for something special. BMW has always been about the driving experience, and their latest models are no exception. Each new release continues to build on the brand's storied legacy. Take the new M3, for instance. It's a car that's been engineered from the ground up to deliver exhilarating performance. With its powerful engine, razor-sharp handling, and aggressive styling, the M3 is a driver's car through and through. Every detail, from the suspension to the aerodynamics, has been meticulously crafted to enhance the driving experience. But BMW hasn't forgotten about luxury either. The latest 7 Series, their flagship sedan, rivals the Mercedes Benz S-Class in terms of comfort and refinement. It offers a serene driving experience that pampers both driver and passengers. Inside, you'll find the same attention to detail, high-quality materials, and advanced technology that you'd expect from a car in this class. The cabin is a sanctuary of luxury designed to cocoon its occupants in comfort. One of the key differentiators for BMW is its focus on driver engagement. The brand's signature Ultimate Driving Machine tagline is more than just a marketing slogan. It's a philosophy that's deeply ingrained in the DNA of every BMW.